Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Refrigerator capacity ranges, it varies, but a general rule of thumb is that you'll want 4 to 6 cubic feet (CU/ft) of refrigerator space per adult in your household, along with a little bit of extra contingency room, with full-size refrigerators ranging from 10 to 32 CU.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Typically, the standard size for a professional-grade refrigerator falls between 30 to 36 inches width, 67 to 70 inches in height, and 29 to 35 inches in depth. When it comes to the interior, the refrigerator itself should provide you with 14 to 20 cubic feet of space.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
For a family of 4, look for models with a capacity of 520 to 600 liters. Check out the side-by-side or French door models. For a family of 5 or more, you'll need at least 700 liters. Consider a pigeon pair with a fridge of at least 450 liters and a freezer of at least 380 liters.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.